guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm finally gonna be reviewing the Hairitage Deep Waver. So this looks like this, and so with this one here, it has 4 digital settings, and it goes up to 400 degrees. It says here ceramic tourmaline barrels for healthy looking hair, and it also shuts off after 30 minutes. And it has a 9-feet cord, and it's for all hair types and textures. It also has a 2-year warranty as well, so you can see in the back there. You guys can see it around there. Yes, it's right here. Right there. Says effortlessly create natural crease-free waves or glamorous bouncy curls in a snap. The ceramic tourmaline barrels with built-in triple heaters quickly and evenly heat up to style hair into gorgeous sleek waves or curls while reducing frizz and increasing shine. Leaves you with healthy looking, longer lasting waves. So yeah, that's what it says right here in the back. So I just wanted to read that to you guys. And this is how it looks like. I already plugged it in. So this is how it is, pretty big, as you guys can see. I love the packaging. I just really love the Styling Tools packaging. It's really cute. And it says off right here. And it says here to hold it for 3 seconds so it turns on. And there we go. You guys can see the setting there. And you guys can adjust the setting. It goes to 400 degrees, as you guys can see here. It's from 280, 320, 360, and then 400. I'm gonna stick to 360 because I have really thick hair. As you guys can see, this is how my hair actually looks like. So yeah, you guys can see my hair is already like really frizzy and wavy. So when it stops blinking, and that means that it's ready to be used. You guys hear any noise in the background, is usually my Corgi. Every time I'm in here filming, she always tries to get my attention. Hey, you do hi. So if you guys hear her in the background, just ignore her. Just really wants attention. Every time I'm filming, every time she throws a ball over here. What? She throws a ball over here. She wants me to give her attention. Actually, right now the kids are at school, so she really gets bored. Girl. If you guys hear her in the background, just ignore her. She's just throwing the ball around because she wants me to throw it. I'm still teaching her how to fetch. She's right now, what she does is that she grabs the ball, and every time I'm trying to pick it up, she just takes it back. I don't know. And what? Okay, meantime, while that heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and share you guys one of my new favorite hair products that I've been using. It's called the Davines Oil, which looks like this. It's from the brand Davines. I'm not sure if you guys heard of it, but it's new to me. But I got this at my local hair salon, and I really love it. It's supposed to help with frizz, because as you guys can see, I have a lot of frizz in my hair. And it also gives a beautiful shine too. So usually I apply it before my hair dries, right after I get out the shower, but I was been in a rush. I forgot. I just was doing my makeup and totally forgot to do so, but I'm applying it now. You can apply it after too, when you do your hair too, just to give it extra shine and everything, but I totally forgot to. Hang it all over. And it smells so good too, guys. It smells really good. So that's already done heating, as you guys can see. I'm gonna start sectioning my hair. Don't have my Jack and Sally scrunchie. Okay, and this waving stuff and everything just reminds me of the crimper. Like, that's what I used to do back in the day. Like, I don't even know. I think it was like, what, before high school? That was in style, but I know it's different from a crimper, but the style is very similar. Like the tool of it. Yeah, just by touching this, because I was gonna grab it right now. Dude, I don't know if you're meant to put your fingers here to hold the barrel, but you can't. It's really hot. I'm just touching it now, and it's really hot. So I don't think that's gonna work. No already. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with this part of the hair. Oh, it's so scary. It's been a long time, guys, so don't judge me. Since I've done my hair like this, I use tools like this, so. Did I do it right? Sorry guys also if I'm not doing it right. It's been a long time. Guess I did it right. It looks about right. This is the last section here. So I guess I go little by little. Yeah, I'm guessing you just go little by little. I mean, looks really pretty so far. Guys, don't judge me, it's been a long time since I've used something like this. So this is how it looks like with just using it. And it went really fast, guys, for just took like what, like less than 3 minutes, I think it was. For sure it was less than 5, but look. It's already done. So this is how my regular side looks like, and this is using it. I mean, it looks pretty, I guess. Come on me, guys, because like I said, I haven't used one of these in a long time. I'm gonna go ahead again from the start, very top, and then let go, bring it down a little, and then push down, and then let go, bring it down a little, and then push down, and then let go. And it comes like, looks like that. I'm gonna start from the top. Let go, bring it down, push down, let go, bring it down, push down, let go, bring it down, push down, let go, and then push down, bring it down, push down, and then let go. Okay, don't at me because it's been a long time. See how long it takes. I'm just gonna speed up the whole process so you guys can see the rest of it. Maybe you guys can see it better right here before I do that. So it's gonna go ahead and this, and then let go, bring it down, press, then let go, and then bring it down, press, and then let go, and then press, and then let go, and then press. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do it all like that, but it's fine to me. Look how pretty that looks. It's like cheap waves. It looks so pretty. You guys can start to see like this is how it looks like using it, and this is without it. But it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Now, honestly, this setting is a perfect setting too for my hair, so I don't have to turn it all the way up, which is good. Maybe people that have more even thicker hair than me, or even like more curlier hair, maybe it would be better to use it all the way to the high setting, or even like not even maybe people that have like really like flat hair, you know what I mean? You people that really have like really thin really straight hair, maybe that setting will be perfect for them, so you can probably try to get the curl. I'm not sure. Again, I'm not an expert in hair, but high temperature for a reason. Okay, what do you guys think so far? I think it looks really good. So you guys can see what it looks like. So pretty. Beautiful waves. I never really usually do my, I forgot this side too. I usually don't really do my hair like this, guys, either. You guys that didn't follow me for a while, I usually just curl it, or, you know, especially my favorite, doing the bun. So I'm using it to the top now. Also, I don't really like to have all the hair in the front. Like, I always like to put some top on my hair back because I feel like it bothers me. And I always have, or either I curl it away from my face, but with this, I don't know how it's gonna work. Hey guys, this is how it looks like with the one side done already, and this is the other side. Look how frizzy it is. Let me try this side now. It's kind of hard when you have bangs because I'm noticing that's what's making it look weird. The only thing that's kind of hard, guys, to tell is where you did it. Like when I'm sectioning the parts, it's kind of like, okay, which ones did I curl already or which ones did I not? Especially me, I have really thick hair, so I can't even tell. I can see some of it, but not all of it. Like the back is kind of hard to see where you did it at. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a lot because I have so much hair. Look at this. Using this makes it look like I have even more hair. So I can't even see which parts I need to do or I missed. So it's gonna be like a hit or miss with this. So pretty sure for me I'm gonna be missing some parts, but hey. Trying to see if I miss anything. Turn it off. You hold it again for 3 seconds. Same as a curling iron, you gotta hold it for 3 seconds. This is how the hair looks like. What do you guys think? I personally love it. But like I said, I don't like my hair all in the front, but it looks really, really good. I'm looking into the monitor right now, and it looks really, really nice. I really like how it turned out. I'm just not used to it. I think I'm not used to having hair like this. It's been a while. Yeah, definitely been a while, guys, but it looks really, really good. It's like beachy, wavy hair, and it looks so pretty. I really love it. I'm gonna go ahead and style it right now, and I'll be right back. Just like, cause I don't like my hair in my face, that's why. But I'll be right back, just to give my final thoughts. But yeah, guys, I did style and everything in a different way, which I'll post a picture in a minute. But my kids and everybody said they liked how it looks like this better, so I just left it like this. So I just took everything off and just put it back the way it was. But overall, guys, what do you guys think? Well, this is how the whole hair looks like. If I miss any spots, it's kind of hard to tell too because I have a lot of hair, so I can't really see behind me how it looks. But yeah, guys, how it looks, and it looks really nice. I really, really like it. And also, just want to let you guys know, happy Valentine's Day. I know you guys are gonna see this video late, but I appreciate all of you, and thank you so much for watching, guys. And oh, before I go, my final thoughts on this is I would definitely give it maybe a 9 out of 10. I just wish I'm able to hold the plates here because it gets super hot and I'm like burning my fingers every time. Yeah, it's definitely, they need to fix it or put something else here so you can have a better grip and something that's not gonna burn your hands because, like, again, I've burned myself a couple of times because I had to redo this top part because since I put it up earlier. But yeah, I definitely kept burning my fingers, so definitely need to create something up here that's you're able to, you know, hold on to. But other than that, yeah, I definitely give it a 9 out of 10. And it's up really nicely, everything. So yeah, I did a really good job. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more reviews of any products or if any products you want me to review, go ahead and comment below. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, bye bye.